Okay, so you'll see from the photo. So basically, here is the image that I started with. What I did was I took a picture of my keys, then I put the picture into a, I don't know, like Photoshop or whatever, and I fixed it so that the outlines were in white. And then I blew it up in the copy machine, and then I started tracing it on tracing paper. I traced the outlines on tracing paper, and then I took the outlines, put on another piece of tracing paper, and did the numbers, and then I would copy that onto white paper and try to do the dot to dot, and then I would inevitably run into some problems. So then I would do it again, same process, same problems, or more problems. So then I decided to simplify the drawing a bit. So what I did was here, these little chains, I kind of made them larger, made this a little larger and clearer, and then did more of the tracing. Lots of trouble there. Actually, I think I might have done, this might have been the order here. And then I did it again, lots of trouble. But as I was working on this, what I decided, as I was working on this sort of second tracing of the numbers, I decided, well, why don't I just make these parts, the parts that are giving me the problems, which are this this area and this H, why don't I just make those bigger, put in the numbers, and then reduce them? Because so as you see, it's so hard to kind of trace the numbers, put them in, and or put the numbers in with the tracing, and then actually figure it out, because I just can't like write that small. So I decided, okay, I'm gonna just blow up these portions, and then put in the numbers so that I actually have room to write, and then I'll reduce them again and put them together. So that's where I am with this. And once I have a process, then hopefully the next few will be a little easier and go a little more smoothly. Okay. So while I was doing that, the iteration that I had was to use graph paper under the tracing paper so that I could make the numbers more uniform in size. So my graph paper has these little teeny tiny boxes. And then using my light box and my tracing paper, I'm able to, fit the numbers into the lines so they're more uniform and more neat. Anyway, I just wanted to share that iteration with you, and I'm looking forward to talking soon. Bye.
So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow them up. I'm gonna blow up my transparency. So I'm gonna blow this up so the numbers are large enough.
Okay.
So the numbers are bigger, and then I'm gonna take a piece of tracing paper, and I'm gonna trace over those numbers with these little pens that are pretty much the thinnest pens I can find, the smallest tips, and then I'm going to have to shrink them down again.